In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Twitch stream key. If this video helps, just like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you want to go live and you wish to connect your Twitch account to a streaming software, then you need to have your Twitch stream key. To find your Twitch stream key, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and log into your Twitch official. And once you're logged in, you should be able to see your profile icon on top here. If you click on this, head down to settings. Now under settings, choose this option called channel and videos. And once you are on this page, you will see a sidebar here. However, for my case, there is no sidebar. If that is the same for you, go ahead and click on this show navigation. And here you have more options. Now under this, we need to go ahead and click on stream. And if you click on stream here, the first thing you'll see is your stream key. To see your stream key, go ahead and click on show here, and this will reveal your stream key. If you wish to copy and paste it to a streaming software, go ahead and just click on copy here, and now your streaming key will be copied. So that's how you can find your primary stream key from Twitch. To go back, now go again to your profile and then just click on back to Twitch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.